Construct a minimal DFA that accepts all strings over the alphabet A, B, where each string starts with AB. Given alphabet is equal to A, B, and we need to draw the DFA for the strings starting with AB. Let's write down the set of all strings in this language. So AB is the minimal string which is in this language. So the strings are AB, ABA, ABB, ABAB, ABAA, ABBA, ABBB, and so on. Let's consider the minimal string and try to construct the DFA for accepting this string. For a DFA, we start with an initial state A. On seeing symbol A, we move to state B. From state B, on seeing symbol B, we move to state C, which is a final state. So the string AB is accepted. After seeing AB, if we see an A, we need to accept this because this is starting with AB. So from state C, when we see an A, we will be in this state only. If we see B after AB, we need to accept this. So from state C, when we see symbol B, we need to accept the string. We see that the state C is completed. I mean, C has all the transitions over every symbol. Now let's come back to state B. We reached state B after seeing an A. If we see B, we go to state C. What if we see an A from state B? So if we see a symbol A from state B, it means the string is starting with AA but not AB. So such string should be rejected. So when we see an A from state B, we move to some state called dead state, from which we cannot reach the final state. So this is a dead state from which we cannot reach any final state. Now we can see B is also completed. I mean, B has transitions over each symbol in the alphabet. If we see A, even this string should also be rejected. So from state D, if we see an A, we reject that string. If we see a B after seeing AA, we need to reject this string. So on seeing B from state D, we will be in this state only. What if a string is starting with symbol B? So such strings starting with B, which are B, BA, BB, BAB, BBA, all these strings are to be rejected, which are not in the language. So from state A, if we see the symbol B, we need to reject the string right away. So all these strings like B, BA, BB, BAB, and whatever strings which start with BA or BB, these strings will be rejected by the DFA. They will end up in the dead state itself. So we can see the state A is also completed. I mean, from state A we have transitions over every symbol. So this is the minimal DFA for accepting strings starting with AB.